The first thing is to open this bot and you want to type in any subreddit of your choice right here and you want to click on start scraping. And once you do this, this bot is going to start scraping the members of this subreddit, which means you can then target these members by sending them to affiliate products or CPA offers and start making money. And I'm going to show you how to do this in conjunction with Node Maven proxy so that you can start scaling your affiliate earnings and start making passive income online. And if you're new to this channel, I make videos about how to earn money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. So for this method, you're going to be needing three things. So the first thing you will be needing is an anti-detect browser. And I recommend using Dolphin anti-detect browser as it's one of the best out there. So all you need to do is to come over to dolphin/anti.com, which is their website, and you want to click on this sign up to create an account. And once you do that, you'll be able to download the Dolphin anti-detect browser app to your device. As you can see right here, I am currently using this anti-detect browser with this method. Okay. And also, if you don't know how to set up everything, you want to go over to YouTube and you want to type in XB Marketing Dolphin Anti Browser. So once you type this is going to bring you to this video where you can watch everything you need to know on how to set up this browser properly, or you can click on the link in the description and it's going to take you to that video. So the second thing, which is the most important part of this setup, is proxy. And all you need to do is to go over to nodemaven.com. Nodemaven is one of the best when it comes to providing high quality residential proxies for a reasonable and affordable price. And I tell you, you can use their proxies to manage and run multiple accounts and start making money using this method, because I have been using it myself. So once you create your account, everything is going to look like this. And from here, you will be able to select any country of your choice. And keep in mind, we are going to be targeting Reddit, because if you come over to SimilarWeb, as you can see, Reddit gets over 1.8 billion visits every month. And most of the traffic comes from United States alone. All right. So now if you come over to your Node Maven account, you can see right here, you can target United States. All you need to do is to type in United States. All right. And you can target any state within United States. You can even target it down to cities in any of the states. All right. And so as not to make this video too long, you can go over to YouTube and type in XB Marketing Node Maven Proxy. I have made a dedicated video on how to set up your proxy in conjunction with your anti-detect browser. Doing it this way will help you create high quality accounts that you can use for a very, very long time without having your account getting banned. So once you connect your proxy with your Dolphin browser, all you just need to do from here is to click on start. So once you open the anti-detect browser, all you need to do is to then type in reddit.com. And once you type that, you want to click on these three dots right here and you want to click on sign up to create an account. And like I said, you want to use proxies to create your account, as that way your account is going to last for as long as possible and you can scale your earnings and make a lot of money. So the final thing you are going to be needing is this subreddit member scanner created by Nexabot. All right. So all you need to do, I'm going to leave a link in the description where you can download this bot and you can use it to scrape subreddit members. So once you download it, all you just need to do is to open the folder and you want to click on this subreddit member scanner. So once you click on that, it's going to bring you to this page where you can then paste in any subreddit and start scraping its members. So once you have the three things set up, the anti-detect browser, the bot and the proxy, you then want to click on this link. I'm going to leave the link in the description. You want to then scroll down until where you're going to see general content. The reason why you want to do this is because it's going to make it easier for you to find various subreddits in any niche of your choice. As you can see, if I keep scrolling down, I'm going to see various subreddits categorized by niches. As you can see right here, for baseball, for basketball, you can see a lot of subreddits categorized based on their niches. All right. So now what you want to do from here is very simple. You want to pick any subreddit of your choice. All right. So I'm going to take this travel as an example. So all you then need to do from here is to click on this subreddit. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to that subreddit and it's going to show you how many members the subreddit has. As you can see, over 8 million members on this subreddit. All you need to do is to then copy this subreddit name and you want to go back to the bot. So if you come to the bot, you want to then paste in the subreddit right here and you want to click on start scraping. In 5 minutes, this bot can generate over 100,000 members on this subreddit that you can target and send them to affiliate products related to this niche, or you can even send them to CPA offers. But like I said, you want to make sure to create multiple Reddit accounts using Node Maven proxy in conjunction with Dolphin anti-detect browser. Okay, so once you do this and once you've scraped enough members, you want to then click on stop. Okay, as you can see right here, in less than 2 minutes, we have over 11,000 members from this subreddit. Okay, so now you may be wondering, how do you make money from this? So all you then need to do from here is to then go back to your subreddit account. So you want to come over to the top section where it says chat. You can start a direct message, or you can create a group chat where you are going to paste these members and send them to CPA offers or affiliate products. All right, so all you need to do from here is to then click on this plus button and you want to grab the username of this member. So I'm going to take this username here as an example. So all you need to do is to copy the username and you want to paste it right here. So once you paste in the username, as you can see, Reddit is going to show the member right here, and all you need to do is to click on this box icon. So if you do this, you can start a direct message with this person and send them to that offer, or you can just basically copy all the members and you want to paste it right here. So if I paste in this right here, as you can see, this is the second member, and this way you want to create a group. So since it's a travel subreddit, you can just type in travel and you can paste in as many members as possible, and you can direct them to any affiliate product or CPA offers you want them to complete. All right, so this is up to you. And the final way of targeting members is to go over to your browser and you want to type in reddit.com/u and you want to paste in the username of that member. So once you type this on your browser, as you can see, it brought out this member right here. So all you then need to do from here is to then click on this more option and you want to click on send message. Okay, so once you click on send message, so you can use this method to also send a direct message to this Reddit user. So now you may be wondering, what type of message do you send to these members? It's very easy. You can have ChatGPT do everything for you. So you want to go over to ChatGPT and all you need to do is to paste in a very simple prompt like this. Give me a converting message to make someone click on my travel ebook link. And like I said, you can use anything right here. It doesn't have to be a product. You can use CPA offers as well. So you want to get creative with whatever you type in right here. So once you do this, then you want to click on send. So once you do that, as you can see, ChatGPT has generated the answer for us. You can see right here, it gave us a title that we can use, and it also gave us the content of this message that we can use as well. All right, so all you just need to do is to copy this title. So once you copy this, then you want to go back to that Reddit user page and you want to paste in this right here. As you can see, this is a very captivating title for someone who is interested in this niche. Okay, so you want to then go back and copy the body of this template. So once you copy this, all you then need to do is to go back and you want to paste it right here. All right, and also make sure you want to type in the name of the user right here. And if you scroll down, you want to type in any name here as well. And like I said, you can use this to make money with any method of your choice, be it affiliate product or CPA offer. If you want to use CPA offer, you can go over to website like freeplrdownloads.com. As you can see, we have ebook related to travel right here that you can use for absolutely free. Okay, so all you need to do is to download this PLR ebook and put them behind a content locker. And also you can come over to idplr.com as well to download ebook or product related to that niche as well. And now if you want to use affiliate product, you can go over to clickbank.com or digistore24.com and you are going to see a lot of affiliate products that you can use to make money with this strategy. So if you do everything correctly as shown in this video, you can send 100 messages per account you created on Node Maven proxy a day without having any problem. All right, so this is why I recommend using a high quality proxy, as this way you are less likely to get your account banned as opposed to using free proxies or using VPNs.